In this video, I'm going to be sharing how I used ChatGPT to completely transform my workspace into a professional YouTube studio. If you've ever wanted to upgrade your filming space with just using the equipment that you already have, then this video is for you. And stick around to the end. I will leave a bonus and a ChatGPT prompt that you could use, and that will be listed in the description below. Let's get started. I took some photos of my current space, entered them into ChatGPT, and I put in a very simple prompt. Once I put the prompt in, it came back and it said, you've got a solid space, great lighting potential, clean walls, hardwood floors, solid creator equipment. So I just took a photo of that and I put that in there because I want to use what I have. I don't want to purchase anything else. It listed out the equipment that I already have. It did a studio zoning and layout plan, filming zone, work zone, storage and props, on a step-by-step setup plan, how to relocate my desk, how to build out a great ideas on how to build out a great black background. In the closet for 2 years, finally took them out. They found a great home. I didn't have to spend any money and it was great. It went over camera and lighting. I'm still working on the lighting. As you can see that it's reflecting off the photo, the glass on the photo in the back, but we will adjust that. I'm going to take another photo, put it back into ChatGPT in the same chat that I have in there, and ask it for some recommendations in order to get that glare off. Audio setup, we went into work zone organization, storage and editing. Gave me some ideas for ideal angles for video. Then it gave me some final touches. It also asked me a few questions. It actually gave me a desk and camera layout diagram. So I'm a visual person, and actually gave me a visual of the placement of where I should have certain things. I was confused a little bit about the first diagram, so it went ahead and actually created an image for me, which helped me a lot. This is just a fantastic way to get you to that point where you feel a little bit more confident and you can press that record button.